Vivekananda Global University, in collaboration with ImaginXP, an institution not built of mere brick and mortar, but with years of sweat and blood of dedicated teachers and visionaries. Running on the principles of Swami Vivekananda, since almost a decade now, it is a place of great character-building education for students all across the globe, nurturing talents through the corridors of knowledge and strengthening moral values in them before they face the world.
So myself Shraddha Patel. Hi, this is Muskan.
Hi, this is Siddharth Singh.
Myself Kamalpreet Kaur.
Hello, myself Yukta Sharma. Agrani this side.
I am Yunus Abdullah Muhammad.
I am from Alwar, Rajasthan.
From Jaipur.
Punjab. Bihar. Jaipur.
I'm come from Nigeria.
And I'm pursuing B.Des UX.
And we, with several others, together form the foundation of the educational institution, the students' community. Vivekananda Global University is a young university with a dynamic student community, which aims to produce global citizens who are compassionate, sensitive to justice, and ready to serve humanity and society. The university believes in creating an ecosystem that fosters learning, as well as gives students the opportunities to explore their interests outside the classroom. Students are engaged with a lot more than academics, which help them reinforce leadership qualities, confidence, determination, and persistence, and have strong moral principles, all of which contribute to the development of a strong personality.
Hello, I'm Pranav Sharma. I have completed my B.Tech from Vivekananda Global University. I also have 2 years of experience in designing. This is my final year in Masters in Designing and User Experience. I particularly chose designing over technical over technical fields because I wanted to understand my users and my clients better. I guess this is my 7th year in college, and yes, there is a particular reason of choosing this specific college over other institution. The reason is the curriculum which ImaginXP and VGU offers is much more optimal when we talk about specifically having a degree in user experience.
Empowered with highly experienced faculties, students get the best education possible during their course. Courses offered by ImaginXP at VGU are Bachelor of Design in UX, Master of Design in UX, and Bachelor of Vocational Studies in Graphic Design.